Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add admin on Facebook page. So at first open Facebook apps and log in your Facebook account, then switch your Facebook page. Look here, this is my Facebook page. So click on to menu option. This method will be Android and iOS. Click on to setting icon to scroll down, or go to the settings and privacy. Settings, scroll down, click on to page setup, click on page access, click on to add new, to next, and find the name. Click on, and then if you want to allow this, and click on to give access and enter your profile password, and finally click on to confirm, and this person give a invitation, just confirm this, then successfully add admin on Facebook page. So that's it, that's how you can do it.